Hi everyone, today we are going to make some hard candy, and for that we are using some translucent clay with a tiny bit of red and some translucent with a tiny bit of green, translucent with a tiny bit of yellow, and translucent with a tiny bit of blue clay mixed together, so that we have 4 different colors when it's all mixed together. Then I am taking some opaque white and I am rolling that out to a thin, tiny snake. If you can hear some humming in the background, that is just my 3D printer that is printing. I am working on a few things right now, so it is printing like all the time right now, and I need to get this video done, so I'm really sorry about the humming in the background.
Subscribe, like, and ring the bell button.
When I am happy with the thickness of my snake here, I am going to take one of the bigger logs here, just picking one of the colors. Let's take the yellow one, and I am cutting the white here into length of the yellow, and I'm squeezing that on one side. And I'm doing this on 4 sides of the yellow log. I'm sorry that I'm kind of off camera here, but I'm doing it on 4 sides of these, and I'm doing it on all the different colors that we have lying around here. And these are going to be the small lines that will be in the hard candy when they're all done. So remember, this is opaque white that I'm working with right here, where the colored ones are made with some translucent white and the color that I want my candy to be in. It looks very light in the color right here, but the done result is more vibrant. Yeah. After placing the white clay around these candies here, I am taking one of the logs and I'm going to roll this out into a very thin, long cane. So take your time with this, make sure everything is connected really good so you don't get any air bubbles in the cane, and just take your time until you're happy with the size of the cane. I am using my scissors for these candies, so first I'm just snipping off the end piece that I don't want to use. This way I also have kind of an edge where I snipped it. Then I am turning the cane around so that I can snip it from the other side, just a few millimeters underneath the first cut. And I am then using 2 fingers to kind of shape it into this triangular weird shape. I'm really trying to show you here, but it's really difficult somehow in this size. So I am going to show you a close-up look here of the done result. Let me show you this one more time. So I cut off the top piece of my cane and I squeeze the cut side here. Then I am turning my cane and I'm cutting off the top piece like this. And then I'm using my fingers, just like you see here, to squeeze the edges of the candy so that it gets the shape that I want to. Just remember, this one is oversized for 1 to 12. You want to make them really tiny, like I showed you the first time around. But here you can see how they look in big. You want to bake your clay according to the manufacturer of the clay. Some clays want a little more than others, but I keep mine 5 degrees Celsius below the wished degree while baking. This way I don't burn them. I am filling up these small jars that you can find in the info box below. I have a how-to on these right there. And I also made a few small bags for putting in these candies. Again, you will find a link for that in the info box below. But that's all for today. Thank you for watching and happy crafting.